Hello and welcome to another video. Uh, Today we'll be talking about a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index. You can use it to trade V75 on 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame. You can even use it on 1 hour time frame. Alright, you can use it on VIX generally. That's V10, V25, V50, V100. You can also use it on step index. Now on the screen I have two windows. I have the main chart. This is the main chart. And I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. Alright, the way the strategy works on the main chart is I allow a crossing of the red line. This is my red line. I allow the crossing above the black and the blue lines with price for me to have a buy position. That is a buy scenario here. You can see what happened. Price went up, okay, and as long as the blue line stays above the black lines, that's my envelope lines, I'll continue to look to buy. All right, now sell situation will be the inverse, the reverse of the case. Okay, like we have a sell situation here where the red line crossed down on both the black lines and the blue line, right, for us to sell. Okay, all right, scalp sell is another scalp sell situation here. All right, so that's basically how to use it on the main chart, how to use the indicators on the main chart. Now if this red line crosses down towards this region, I'll look to sell just few pips, but for now, as long as the red line and price stays above the blue and the black envelope lines, still good for a buy situation. All right, that's that for the main chart. Now for indicator window 1, when the red line, we have a red line here, when this red line bounces above the Ichimoku indicator, I have buy situation. Okay, but when the red line touches this level, 80 level, I look to sell. Okay, and you can see what happened. There's a dip, price dipped. Okay, so same thing for buy situation. When the same thing for sell situation, when the red line crosses down below the Ichimoku, so pointer that you can sell. But when the red line touches the 20 level, okay, when it touches the 20 level like we have around here, you can look to buy. You can look for buy opportunities around this level, saying buy here, buy here. And we can see a double bottom, price formed a double bottom around here and price went up. Okay, and it's still going up, still attempting to go up around here. So as long as this red line stays above the Ichimoku band, they are still good for a bullish run. All right, that's that for the strategy. Same thing for when the red line crosses down below the Ichimoku, you have your sell situation. When it crosses above, like you have around here, you have your buy situation. Okay, for zoom level, you can use zoom level 2, you can use 3. Okay, for zoom level on the chart. All right, so let's look at the settings. So first of all, look at the main chart. Fractals. I use fractals for all my charts, so that fractals will tell me point of price rejection. So go to the screen, like I have fractal around here. fractal here telling me price will go up. Okay, it's telling me price will go up. I have a support, and it's fractal here telling me price will go down. I have resistance. There's also fractal above here and here above telling me price will dip. Okay, and then I have fractal here telling me price will go up around here. There's another one that has just formed telling me price may dip. Okay, so depending on the wick that is formed around the fractal, the longer the wick, the stronger the rejection. All right, that's about fractal. Let's continue with the settings. You have moving average, 20 period, moving average. Method is simple. Apply to close, and the color is blue. All right. Still on the main chart, we have 3 period moving average. Method is linear weights. Apply to close, color is red. And lastly, on the main chart, we have envelopes. 30 period, deviation is 0.020. Method is simple. Apply to close. Okay, the upper band style and the lower band style color is black. Okay, let's look at indicator window 1. We have stochastic indicator. The percentage K period is 1. Percentage D period is 1. The slow in is 1. Price field is close. Method is exponential. Now the color of the star for the main and the signal will match the background color. Now let's look at the level. So the level, we have 20 for buy here, 80 for sell here. Okay, and the color of the level line is black. Okay, let's look at the next indicator on indicator window 1. We have a Ichimoku, Kinko, Hayo. All right, the Tenkan Sen is 9, Kinjun Sen is 9, then the Senkou span B is 52. All right, now the up Kumo and the down Kumo, the color is blue, or sky blue. Then the last indicator on indicator window 1, we have moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0. Method is simple, apply to close, and the color is red. Now, that is that. Let me take a recap on the way the strategy works. Here, the way strategy works, let's take it back in history. When you have a crossover of the red line with price above the blue and the black line, black envelope lines, then you have your buy situation. You can see what happened. Price went up. Same thing with your confirmation on the indicator with the one when the red line crosses above the blue Ichimoku band. All right, you have your buy confirmation. Although your buy signal will have been formed when the red line touches the 20 level, and your sell signal on the indicator window 1 will be formed when your red line touches the 80 level. All right, well, I can see that price dipped after forming the rejection at a resistance. Here dipped a little bit before ranging and before going upward. So that's that for buy situation. For sell situation, you allow price and the red line to cross down on the envelopes black line, okay, and the blue 20 moving average line. Once you have a cross down, look for your confirmation on the indicator window 1. This is your confirmation. The red line cross down on the Ichimoku indicator. As soon as you have something like that, you can confidently sell. Now, where will you place your stop loss? Like for this sell situation, I'll place my stop loss somewhere around here. Let me change the color to red. I'll place my stop loss around here above the red line. Okay, for a sell situation. And as price continues to go down, I'll manually trail, set trailing stop, and move my stop loss to trail my profit so that I can protect my account, trail my profit until price retraces and hit my trailing stop. And I'll have gone on with some profit. Same thing with buy situation. If I'm going to buy around here, my stop loss will be placed somewhere around below here. Okay, and I can trailing stop till it comes down, it trips my trailing stop, and I'll go with some. So that's that for the strategy. If we look at what's happening now, let's see what's happening. Okay, price still going up, so the buy trend is still intact on the 1 minute time frame. So scalpers can still continue to trail the profits so that you protect your account. All right, it's good to apply risk management. Trading stop is a very good way of applying risk management when trading. So that's that for this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so that you get to see the next video we'll publish. Also, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to state your comments below the video. Ask questions below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. All right, before I go, let me just take a review on the indicator settings one more time. We have fractals, we have moving average, 20 period moving average. Method is simple, apply to close, color is blue. Then we have another moving average on the main chart, 3 period moving average. Method is linear weight, apply to close, color is red. Then we have envelopes, 30 period, division is 0.020. Method is simple, apply to close, color is black. All right, then on the indicator window 1, we have stochastic oscillator. The parameters are percentage K period 1, percentage D period 1, slowing is 1, price field is closed, method is exponential. Now the color of the main and the signal stars will match the background color. The levels will be 20 and 80. 20 for buy situation, 80 for sell scenario. Now we also have Ichimoku on indicator window 1. Tenkan Sen is 9. Kinjun Sen is 9. Senkou span B is 52. Now the color of the up Kumo will be blue, down Kumo will be blue, and the color of the other part of the stars will match the background color. All right, and lastly we have moving average, 1 period moving average. The shift is 0. Method is simple, apply to close, color is red. Now that's that for the settings, and that's that for the strategy. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.